back to Learn English. Today's lesson is about be supposed to. In this video, we're going to know how to use be supposed to in different meaning, okay? So, right, here we go. We have subject plus be supposed to, right? And sometimes it is supposed to, it means it is said to, okay? Examples: I want to say that film, it is supposed to be good. I want to say that film, it is supposed, it's third singular, so we use is, not are. It is supposed to be, okay? It is supposed to be good. Or we can say it is said to be good. It is said by who? Of course, by many people. So we don't need to say by who because it is obvious. We say it is said to be good or it is supposed to be good, right? Brilliant. Fine. So now, but sometimes supposed to has different meaning, okay? We use supposed to say what is intended and what is arranged and or what is expected. So sometimes we use be supposed to mean what? What is intended, what is arranged, or what is expected, right? Clear. So often this is different from the real situation, okay? Fine. Now let's move on to study some examples to make it clear, okay? Okay. So now let's look at some examples to know how we can use be supposed to in different meaning, okay? Right. We're going to start with the first example. The plan is supposed to be a secret, but everyone seems to know about it. Which means the plan is intended to be secret, but everyone seems to know about it. So the second example, what are you doing at work? What are you doing at work? You're supposed to be on holiday. So, right? You arranged to be on holiday, okay? Third example, our guests were supposed to come at 12, but they were late. And fourth, John was supposed to phone me last night, but she didn't. And fifth example, we have I'd better hurry. I'm supposed to be meeting Crest in 10 minutes. Right? So these sentences show us how be supposed to is used, okay? But in different meaning, okay? Right? So more other uses of be supposed to, okay? Let's look here. You are not supposed to do something. It means what? It's not allowed or advisable, okay? You are not supposed to park your car here. It is a private parking only. Okay? So, and the second example is Ahmed is much better after his illness, but he is still not supposed to do any heavy work. Okay? Ahmed is much better after his illness, but he is still not supposed to do any heavy work, right? Let's move on to practice more examples with be supposed to, okay? Right. Okay, now we have exercise, okay? Let us do it, okay? So here, complete the sentences using supposed to be plus the following. On diet, flour, jog, working, fine? So, first sentence is what? You shouldn't criticize me all the time. You. Okay? You're supposed to be my friend. Fine. And the second, I shouldn't be eating this cake really. Okay? I am supposed to be on diet. I am sorry for what I said. I was trying to be funny. It is supposed to be a joke. And 4, what is this drawing? Is it a train? Or maybe it is a flower? The last one, you shouldn't be reading the paper now. You are supposed to be working. Fine? Great. Okay, let's move to another exercise. It's going to be the last exercise, okay? So, write sentences with supposed to plus the following verbs. We have arrive, block, phone, start. Use the negative, not supposed to, where necessary, right? Great. First question. We work at 8:15, but we really do anything before 3:15. Second, Helen, but I completely forgot. Third, this door is far exit. It's 4, my train at 11:13, but it was an hour late. Take your time to do the exercise. I'm gonna do it now, okay? So, first question. We are supposed, to start work at 8:15, but we really do anything before 3:15, okay? Third, this door is far exit. You are not supposed to block it, right? This door is far exit. You are not supposed to block it. So, the last question is, my train is supposed to arrive at 11:13, but it was an hour late. Okay? Great. I hope you understand this lesson. And if you have any question or comments, leave it in the comment section. And of course, if you appreciate this lesson, give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it all helps me to create more interesting and useful content for you. Okay? See you next time. Bye bye.